Discord and chess.com is giving away free 1-month Nitro. And here's how you can get it. Join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. We got a ton of channels and they are all totally free. Plus, we a ton of varieties for layout channels. There are many chat channels, so chat with people from all around the world. And if you want premium decors and offers, we got it covered for you. We also do free Nitro giveaways. So what are you waiting for? Join us now. Since y'all got a pretty good idea on what this offer is about, I will get straight to the point. Chess.com is a platform where you can play chess with AI or real players around the world. If you love chess and are a member on that platform, voila! You can easily claim the free 1-month Nitro. If you have never used that platform, then that's totally fine too, since the article didn't mention that you have to be a paid member or a member for a specific period of time. Which means, you can spend some time on that platform and play some chess. If you are lucky enough, you will get this pop-up of receiving a free Nitro, and if you don't, then don't come crying to me that you didn't get it or this video is scam or blah blah. I don't control who can get it. It's Discord. Anyway, you would require payment method to claim the Nitro, and you can be Nitro user for 12 months or more. So, that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button, which will make me feel motivated to make more videos for you.